Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Young Family in our YouTube channel. Today is March 10th, 2025. In today's video, I'm very happy to share with you because my persimmon fruit tree already began to break dormancy. Stay tuned. Okay guys, last year in May, after I purchased this persimmon tree, 2 days later, I just transplanted this persimmon tree into another bigger container. The original container is about 3 gallon size. The new container is 25 gallon size. So I have 2 videos specifically talking about this persimmon tree. I put a link down below in the description. When I transplanted this persimmon tree into the bigger container, I found this persimmon tree is not well established in the original container. It's kind of, they just dig it out before they try to sell this persimmon tree. So that's why I worry about it a lot, because it is not well established. It's kind of like a bare root. Even though that time I have a concern about this persimmon tree, but generally speaking, this persimmon tree doing very well at that time. I can see a lot of new shoots, new leaves. But unfortunately, I had thought some new buds on the new shoots, they are going to develop flowers, but unfortunately, they kind of like stuck there. Even though I can see a lot of like something like this one, okay? It's kind of like a plum buds. I had thought it's going to develop flowers, but unfortunately, they stuck there. It's kind of like a transplant shock. So that's why last year I didn't get any flowers on this persimmon tree. Okay, let's take a look at this persimmon tree. So basically you can see this branch and this branch and this branch. At that time, it's kind of brown color. It's old branch. All other like a, relative, thin branch is new shoots last year, still green. So actually right now you can see all this just mentioned, the buds. So began to develop the new shoots. So I think probably they are going to develop new branches and new leaves on it. Take a look at right here. So let me close to this one. You see here? Nice. So basically here, definitely I show you some new shoots right here, green new shoots. Almost all on all the new branches, last year, 1 year old branches. So this is green last year. So, but still some 1 year old branch. Here, you can see some buds still not show any green. So probably they're going to take a little bit longer to develop new shoots. This is new branch, 1 year old branch last year was still green. And then this one is also, I didn't see any new growth right here, new green right here. So probably I don't have to worry about it, because most of branches right here, you can see, they already can see green on almost all the, new buds. So one thing I want to mention you. So basically I checked online, even though I'm not familiar with new persimmon tree, because I just purchased this tree last year. I'm still learning, try to figure out. So basically in May or in June, the persimmon tree is going to produce flowers. So basically they say the flowers is going to produce on both new shoots, just like it here. The new shoots is going to produce new shoots, new leaves, and a 1 year old wood. So this is 1 year old wood. So basically I have some very relatively thin new branches, and also you can see a lot of new growth on it. So fortunately, maybe I hope this year they're going to produce some flowers. Maybe later this year I can get some, the fruits on this tree. So the reason why last year I didn't get any blossoms, probably related with the root system is not established in the new pot. And also I transplanted into the bigger pot. So they need a time to establish a new root system. Just like my apple tree last year, I planted it into the bigger container. So only an apple produced 1 apple. So, but Dorset golden apple branch did not produce any blossoms. But this year, after I transplanted into the ground, they produced a lot of blossoms on it. That's why I have the reason to think this persimmon tree, maybe this year, they're going to produce fruits on it. But anyway, the most important is after I transplanted this persimmon tree into the ground. So right now I can see some new signs to show this persimmon tree already break dormancy. So that means this persimmon tree already survived into the ground. Hopefully it takes some time to establish it into the ground. So guys, if you like today's video, please give us some up, like, share, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.